It's 3 a.m. and Jessica's staring at a mountain of unopened boxes labeled baby essentials. The crib's half assembled in the corner, diapers spread like confetti. The calendar on the wall mocks her only 6 weeks to go. How the hell did she get here feeling so unprepared? Regina Leeds and Meagan Francis knew this chaos intimately, and their book promises a sanity-saving timeline to transform frantic moments into focused calm. But where do you even start? Before the baby arrives, everything feels overwhelming. What to buy, when to declutter, how to mentally prepare. Regina's week-by-week guide turns chaos into a rhythm you can dance to. Jessica from Seattle worked off Leeds' exact checklist, starting with clearing one closet per week. By week 24, she'd swapped out junk for baby clothes and the chaos shrank. She tells us how checking off those bite-sized tasks turned dread into momentum, making the whole process doable rather than terrifying. Imagine prepping for your baby like staging a play. Every week is an act with clear cues. Buy the car seat by week 28, arrange the pediatrician by week 30. This pacing means you're never scrambling backstage. Instead, you build the final scene steadily, calm and ready. By following this measured rhythm, parents shift from panicked buyers overwhelmed by aisle choices to confident organizers who reclaim control. Unexpectedly, this system makes space not just at home, but in your mind, letting you actually savor those last months with no sleepless night regrets. Your home isn't just a place anymore, it's a baby's kingdom. But how do you turn your adult space into a safe, functional nursery without losing your mind or drowning in gear? Regina shares a story from Boston's Sarah. Overwhelmed by piles, Sarah created zones, a diaper-changing area, a feeding nook, and a play corner. Each area had exactly what she needed, no more. This simple division untangled the mess and made daily rhythms smoother, like switching gears instead of crashing. Decluttering isn't just tidiness, think of it as baby-proofing your mind. Every unnecessary item is like a potential tripwire. At 3 a.m. Leeds compares preparing your home to clearing a runway. The clearer it is, the safer and faster you move, less fumbling, less stress, more relaxed nights. This zoning extends beyond stuff. When everything has a place, your tasks shrink. Laundry isn't a monster, it's a load that fits neatly in the nursery's designated basket. The payoff, time saved, less mental noise, and surprisingly, space to actually breathe amidst the chaos. Once the baby's here, the to-do list explodes. Sleep is scarce, decisions crowd your brain. Leeds knows it's about systems that breathe, not break under pressure. Take Lucy, a new mom in Denver who hit rock bottom by week 6. Babies don't come with manuals, and her nights were endless. Regina's advice on flexible routines helped Lucy reclaim control. Instead of strict timetables, it was about anchors, bedtime rituals, and meal prep windows that gave her breathing room, sanity, and surprisingly joy. Leeds insists no parent is an island. In San Diego, Carlos learned this the hard way. When he stopped trying to do everything alone and invited his sister over for a weekly cooking session, suddenly the weeks felt manageable. Help isn't weakness, it's strategic support that builds resilience. Finally, there's the hard lesson of letting go. Expectation is the enemy of presence. Regina's reminder, perfection is a myth. When you drop the fantasy of doing it all perfectly, you gain more presence, more joy, and ironically, more control over your new life's swirling chaos. Remember Jessica drowning in boxes at 3 a.m.? Imagine her now, calm, nursery humming, checklist nearly empty. That's the magic Leeds and Francis promise when you swap panic for planning. Try this tonight, choose one clutter spot and create a baby zone. It's one small act, but that's the pivot toward peace as baby arrives. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.